21st of May 2013, the Glasgow Centre for Population Health held a seminar to consider the findings of a new study on the health economic benefits of cycle commuting in Glasgow. While increasing numbers of Glaswegians are getting on their bikes, levels of cycling are still low compared to other Scottish, UK and European cities. To underline this, we estimate nearly 3 in 100 Glaswegians cycle to work, and in Edinburgh 7% of residents commute by bicycle, but in Copenhagen around 36% of residents cycle to work or study. Our study looked at the health economic benefits for Glasgow residents of cycling into Glasgow city centre on a daily basis, and found that in 2012 the annual benefit was around £4 million. This is likely to be an underestimate of the benefit, as the analysis does not take account of reduced illness and other health benefits conferred by cycling.
These findings provide more good evidence that active travel contributes to a healthy population and a healthy economy. Regular cycling during our day-to-day journeys is a great way to get some exercise. If 10% of all journeys were made by bike today in Glasgow, as they are in Gothenburg, a Swedish city of similar urban design and size, then our population would be healthier and happier, as we know that regular physical activity is not only good for our physical health, but also good for our mental health. We would also have cleaner air in our city, as our streets would be less dominated by motor traffic.
Although national trends have been moving towards greater car use and less walking and cycling over many years, this analysis found that levels of cycling into and out of Glasgow city centre have actually increased by more than 25% since 2009. A rise that is likely to reflect a combination of the impact of the economic recession, improvements to cycling infrastructure in the city, and the influence of the cycling lobby. If Glasgow, and indeed Scotland, are going to reach the government's target of 10% of all journeys to be undertaken by bicycle, investment in cycling and walking routes needs to be prioritised in urban areas. Reducing speed limits, more segregated cycle lanes and better cycle parking facilities, better facilities for cyclists at work also, will all help to boost cycling and walking and make our cities much safer and friendlier places to get around.